Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to upload the Divi theme to your WordPress website. This is a simple and complete step-by-step guide made for beginners. If this is your first time using WordPress or Divi, don't worry, just follow along and you will have it set up in a few minutes. First, you will need the Divi theme file. If you don't have it yet, check the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. After purchasing, log in to your Elegant Themes account. Go to elegantthemes.com and click the Login button at the top right. Once you're logged in, go to the Downloads area. There, you will find the Divi theme. Click the Download button next to it and save the zip file to your computer. Make sure to leave it as a zip file. Do not open or extract it. Now open your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to your website's URL, followed by /wp-admin. For example, yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Log in using your WordPress username and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Hover your mouse over the word Appearance, then click on Themes. This will open the Themes page, where you can see which themes are currently installed on your site. To upload a new theme, click the Add New button at the top of the page. Then click the Upload Theme button. A box will appear that lets you select a file. Click Choose File, then find and select the Divi zip file you downloaded earlier. Once you've selected it, click the Install Now button. WordPress will upload and install the theme. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After the upload is finished, you will see a message that says the theme was installed successfully. Below that, you will see a link that says Activate. Click that link to make Divi your active theme. You've now installed and activated the Divi theme on your website. To see it live, click on your site name at the top left of the screen, then click Visit Site. You should see the default Divi design applied to your homepage. To begin customizing your site, go back to the WordPress dashboard. In the left menu, you will now see a new item labeled Divi. Hover over it and click on Theme Options. This is where you can upload your logo, set your site colors, adjust layout settings, and much more. Divi also includes a powerful drag and drop builder for designing your pages. To use it, click on Pages in the left menu, then click Add New. You will see a button that says Use Divi Builder. Click that and you can start creating your page using one of Divi's layout packs or build your design from scratch. And that's it. You've now uploaded and activated the Divi theme and are ready to start building with it. Be sure to check the link in the description to try Divi for yourself through Elegant Themes.